Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about Zamkeleni, the latest episode, specifically speaking about uDineo nomuntu wakhe uSimelokuhle. So guys, the episode opens off with uDineo sitting outside and uSimelokuhle brings a glass of juice, and they are ready to do the homework that they were given by their therapist. Okay, Dineo was sitting there, guys, looking all beautiful. Because one thing about Dineo, when it comes to her makeup, okay. Anyway, sitting there, looking all beautiful. And then she says to him, Muguti, there was someone that's been looking for you. Then some lady comes in, guys. Some lady out of the blue comes in and is like, basically says that Usmelo's, Dinewa's husband, is dating his sister. His sister is dating her sister, actually. Is dating her sister. And yeah, this basically Utine was the slay queen. Usmelobuche has been dating her sister who's a yellow bone and whatnot. Now, Dineo, guys, she just gets all crazy. And she's like, Aluhambe. Like, she basically says to the lady, like, like, leave my yard. And says to Smelobuhle, go ahead with this lady. This lady's been looking for you. Leave with her. Like, go with her. Takes a chair. So Usman over here is looking confused, guys. He's like, firstly, I don't know this lady. I don't know who you're talking about. What's your sister's name? This lady's like, my sister's name's Larato. Usman over here is basically like, he doesn't know this lady. He's never seen this lady. Doesn't know what she's speaking about. Dineo at that time is not hearing anything. Dineo starts throwing away glasses, basically telling Usmelobuhle that he must leave the yard with this lady. This lady, Liana, she doesn't want to leave the yard. She's busy standing there, busy talking. Dineo takes her chair, wanting to hit Usmelobuhle with the chair, basically saying she must leave. Usmelobuhle refuses to leave because he's adamant that he doesn't know what this woman's talking about. Dineo runs or goes back into the house, takes a bread knife, threatens to basically stab Usmelobuhle to leave. And he's like, stab me if you want to, stab me if you want me, if you want to. And then a security guard comes from I don't know where to intervene. Now, guys, idrama busaqalwa. For me, honestly, this just looks staged. I don't want to lie, it looks staged. For me, number one, the question I'm asking is, how is it that this lady comes at a convenient time when you guys are shooting? Like, there's no way. Unless, the lady was looking for Usmelobuhle, because remember before the lady actually comes in, Dineo says there's a lady who's been looking for you. So maybe Dineo told this lady to come back at a certain time, and that certain time would be when she knew they were shooting. Maybe. But I just find like the way it worked out, I was just like, for me, nah. Secondly, like Utinewa, the way she reacted for me was not normal, guys. When a person comes and with such accusations, shouldn't you be seeming confused or you want to get information over what's going on or whatnot? But her immediate reaction of fighting, I'm just like, either Utineo, like when it comes to anger, she's got like some serious anger issues and there's something wrong with her, because a normal person does not react like that, you guys. Or either it's staged. Usmelobuhle is like, for me, I personally think what was going on here, I think that Utineo actually got someone to do this. I think Utineo actually hired someone to actually do this, and I don't think Usmelobuhle knew anything about it, because Usmelobuhle is seeming confused, like he's, for me, I feel like Usmelobuhle's reaction was much more normal and natural than Dineo's response, because I'm just like, are you fine, ma'am? Like, why would you suddenly be fighting someone over something ongayazi? Usmelobuhle says he's never cheated. Dineo has never actively caught Usmelobuhle cheating, but the way she reacts, guys, she reacts like someone who has actually caught this man cheating. Yes, Usmelobuhle, like, obviously he has children. Then I believe he had children, no, like the one child before he met Dineo, the other child, I think it was when he was with Dineo. So I believe he has cheated on Utineo. But Utineo, like, guys, there's something that just like is not balancing for me. Even that whole scene, I'm just like, no. Even for summer guys, it's not normal for umuntu akusukele and come all the braveness for that person to come into your yard and disrespect you like that. Nah, guys. Phela, that is not a shopee or a tavern where abantu bajwayele ukwenza njalo. So I feel like that lady usithatha isibindi to do all of that. But anyway, that was that. And then the funny thing is, after the lady had left, because Utineo's sister comes out, she intervenes, she ushers the lady. The lady didn't seem like she wanted to leave or anything like that. Then Usmelo Guhe says, can we continue with where we left off and whatnot? They just continue like that. I'm like, aye, guys, like maybe Gary Belusif didn't know something about it. It was weird. How do you like this person just pulled up a knife on you and you are asking like let's continue from where we left off with the homework, and then then they hi guys, that's not normal. After such like incidents, people naturally don't even want to be in one another, like the way they just swept over that like it was nothing. I'm like, maybe that's their normal type of living, but I'm just like, nah, there's just something here that's not adding up. Then anyway, Dinewa tells Osmeluche tells Dinewa that, listen, I forgot to tell you that my uncle is coming to basically bear witness to what I've been telling you all along, that my family basically does not want to meet you, so my uncle's going to be coming to tell you all Ngempela, because you guys don't believe me when I keep telling you that you really don't want that. I don't want you guys to go AKZN. So anyway, later on, fine, the family is gathered. Dineo's family, it's Dineo, it's her mother, it's Dineo's sister, and I forgot the other lady, which one, guys, and then Dineo. Smeloguche goes and fetch his guest. He comes back with his guest. Number one, the uncle is wearing guys, a cap. And he comes into someone else's house. He does not take off the cap. He's sitting there. I'm like, what type? You are Zulu man. I expect you to know that when you come into someone else's household or even the house, you take off your cap. You're coming to meet up with people that you are supposed to at least respect. You're supposed to take off your cap. There's elders there that are way older than you. Guys, ugayi umalume kaDineo uyambona ukuthi uze ngendelelo. Like uze ngendelelo, because in his mind he already has a conception that these people that uDineo trapped Usmeloguhle into marriage, so he's coming to defend his brother basically. That meeting did not go well, guys, because even the way he was responding, that time Dineo's mother was not there for any of it, guys. She could read and see through this uncle, and she was like, listen, you are not going to come and disrespect us in our own house. If you want to speak about Usmelo and Dinewa, don't add me, because I've always been against this union. In the diary session, Dinewa's mother actually says that Dinewa actually did not want to get married, you guys. That Usmelo is the one that was pushing to actually get married. Like my first time hearing this, that Usmelo was the one who was actually pushing to get married. I have no doubt of why Dinewa's mother would lie. Now, Usmeloguche's uncle is the one that's busy saying, with you guys, you're tricked Usmeloguche into marriage. Usmeloguche is a woman that he chose, Emakaya, that is his. And then they shopped with the eyeball, which Chuzele. That time, guys, Usmeloguche is sitting on the couch. It's a laughing matter for him. Like, he's really laughing at that. And I'm just like, oh. Anyway, guys, things get heated because now this guy basically starts pointing Dineo's mother, pointing Dineo and basically accusing them and all of that. And listen, Dineo's mother like ends up like losing her temper, ends up into something that almost became like a physical fight. Dineo's mother wanted to hit umalumekazi Melokuhle. He's busy like umdala ungena indaba zabantwana. Like, what does he mean? Because when marriages are not going right, is it not elders that's supposed to ngena? Who else must ngena? Because even Nayus Melokuhle, his parents should be the one who are here to discuss this matter, not him. Who is he? I was even saying on the last episode, I don't even know if this is actually a relative, because they KwaZulu, they call everyone a relative. Uzothola ukuthi this is not even a relative, umakhelwane nje, like it's a neighbor from close by or something like that. So anyway, guys, Melokuhle's Dineo's mother wants to hit him. The crew, the production crew had to end up intervening. That's how bad it got, you guys. Dineo's mother was she was ready for that guy. She's basically saying, Thabo, agahambe, we don't want him in this house. Thabo, remember, guys, is the name that uSmelokuhle introduced himself as. He lied at first. He introduced himself as uThabo. Then they eventually found out that it's not Thabo. Thabo is actually just a street name, or I don't know what name is that. So she was basically saying, yeah, she does amfuni lana. uThabo uSmelokuhle left with his uncle. I don't know if he was going to drop off his uncle. And yeah, guys, I was just like, Dineo needs to stop. She needs to stop making this guy uSmelokuhle and his family disrespect her family, because probably this guy saw that these are all women, there's no men there, and he's gonna just disrespect people. You don't need to see a physical man within a home to know that people are worthy of respect. I'm just like, what is this? So uSmelokuhle ends up saying that and now there's no chances of his family accepting Dineo, because obviously the uncle's going to report these news to the family of Dineo's how she is. There's also something that Dineo said, guys. Dineo said that even if he does have a girlfriend wherever, she will basically be a baby making incubator or machine, because mina angeke ngizalele uSmelokuhle. Like she says, I will never give birth to children for him. So that's on emakhaya, all right, she will give birth to children for Smelokuhle, but uSmelokuhle will always be here by me. In a diary session, she said, Smelokuhle will never leave me. Even if he could find me in bed with another man, and I'm trying to put it in a better way, in a respectful way, she says that Smelokuhle will still say Asambe, like baby, like Asambe. Like, I'm like, such confidence, ma'am. What makes you so confident? Because everyone knows I'm a daughter. Like, you can never put, like, you could be like the cream of the cake. You can never put such trust in men. So what makes Dineo so sure that uSmelokuhle will never leave her? I'm Langsola something, guys. Anyway, that's the recap of Dineo and uSmelokuhle scene. Tell me what you guys think about it. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.